Good morning friends, welcome to Voice of Success YouTube channel. Friends, today I am going to teach you how you can make money by watching videos. So you can make 5 rupees to 20 rupees every 10 minutes watching the videos. Okay, and you can by sharing the more peoples you can make the more money, or else self income also you can make. So who is giving this opportunity and is it genuine or not means it's 100% genuine company. This company is paying payment since 3 years, and daily payment, the amount will be credited within 24 to 48 hours, and the minimum withdrawal also very lesser. It's 20 to 40 rupees will be the minimum withdrawal. So what is this company, where you have to do, and what in which app you have to download, where to register, and how to make money. So the total details, total information I am going to share with you. So please watch this video till end, so that you will be getting more and more information, and you can start earning very huge earnings. So if you need more information and more upcoming earning opportunities, please subscribe our channel and click on bell icon, so that whatever the information we are giving, whatever the new earnings opportunity we are knowing, the same opportunity you can take on time. Okay, so today I am going to show you with live proof. By watching videos you can make money. Let's start. So friends, first of all, you can see my payment proofs. By watching videos you can make money. So this is my payment proof. Today 8th November I got a payment, and here you can see my earning from the particular website or particular app. Okay, so in which app you have to register and you can make money. So first you have to go to Freedom 100. So this is the registration process. Go to freedom100.in website, and whoever has shared you link, click on that link, or else you can take my sponsor ID from description or from the link. Okay, and enter the your sponsor ID details. After visiting freedom100.in, enter your sponsor details and fill your details and submit. You get ID password. So after getting ID password, you can log in and you can do simple task and keep earning. It's completely 100% free. Okay, so after registration you need to whatever the tasks you are doing, you will be getting the income. So first is free task income, surveys and sample of the products you can make money. And apart from this, by watching videos and upcoming, there are many more incomes the company is going to launch. And after registration you will be find one refer link, your referral link. If you share that refer link, on every referral you will be get 5 rupees. So completely free. So every referral 5 rupees. So if you withdraw, if you want to withdraw these 5 rupees, the person to whomever you have invited, that person should be do minimum task of 20 rupees. So how you can do the task, I will show you. Okay, so this is a process. And whatever the apps means, for an example, after login you will find this app. So short video app, Chingari app. So on this app you will be getting for 3.5 rupees. Okay, so apart from this app, another watch app. So these both apps, and there are many apps, I will show you lively. Okay, after and you need to understand one thing. First of all, you need to follow the terms and condition. So whatever the apps you are trying from this website, you are the first user. If you feel you already using this app, you can try in your parents mobiles or brothers sisters mobile, whoever has haven't used before this. And one IP address, one account, and the whatever the task you are doing, minimum withdrawal 40 rupees. If you are free member, if you are paid member, you can make minimum withdrawal of 20 rupees. What is the difference between free and paid? You can watch my paid version videos. Already I have uploaded in my channel, Voice of Success YouTube channel. You can watch there. Okay, and the payment which you are making withdrawal, the amount will be credited in your bank account within a 24 to 48 hours. It's a legal and it's a very genuine. So for an example, if you have downloaded this app, after downloading you need to verify your mobile number. So after verifying your mobile number, you need to watch videos in this app. At least minimum 10 to 15 minutes you need to watch the video, so that you get this income 100%. So like that, there are two more than 3 4 apps where you can make money by watching the video. So these are the two main apps, and another two apps I am going to show you in live. Okay, so these are screenshots, and we recently whatever the payment we have taken, so we are showing that. So here you can see that watcho app income, and very another income also. So apart from these apps, you can also try account openings and home loan apps. So on those app also you are getting more and more income. So you can try those app also. Okay, so here one more terms and condition. If you are trying a game apps, Okay, so we have all categories of apps: game apps, app account opening apps, xyz apps. So if you are trying game apps, you need to new fresh user, and you need to download the app, sign up, verify your mobile number, and you need to pay at least minimum one game in those app, and you need to spend more than 5 to 10 minutes, so that you will be getting 100% income. If you are trying banking apps, so your number should be genuine and verified mobile number. Whatever you are giving in while registration, that number should be registered with UPI, so that on banking apps you will be getting 100% income. On banking apps and loan apps, you will be getting 100% income. If you want to take 100% income on banking apps, while you registration, you need to give your verified mobile number, and it's a trusted website, trusted company. You need not to worry. You can give your all genuine data, so that you will be getting 100% earning. So these are the apps, friends. And if you're trying entertainment apps, so you need to follow these terms and condition: registered, verify your mobile number, and you need to watch 10 to 15 minutes of videos in those, so that you will be getting 100% income. So how much you can make the income means, on every referral you will be getting 5 rupees, and the person who has doing task under you, any app he is trying, whether he is free member or paid member, you are getting to get 5 levels income. On every level 10% income. For an example, if one person has done 40 rupees of task, you can see here. So 20 rupees will be his self income, and 20 rupees will be distributed in 10 level 5 levels. So for an example, if you have a 10 members team, if everyone is doing 40 rupees task, you will be getting 20 rupees of income. So if those 10 members make a 10 members team also, in up to 5 levels, your team will be more than 1 lakh plus, and your earning will be more than 2 lakhs plus. So once you make this team, and every time you can make earning of this. So this is a very brilliant opportunity, and it's completely free. If you want to go to paid version, you can go to paid version, and you can enjoy 3 to 15% of lifetime cashback. And every paid version, if you invite team also, you can make some crores of income, lakhs and crores of income. So this is a paid concept is another. You can watch my previous video, so that you are getting more and more information. By Spinwin also you can make the income. You can check our live payment proofs, and by task income also you can check this live proof. So once I will log into my account, and I will show you where you need to do task and how to registration. So then you can start earning from your side. So first of all, you need to visit to freedomhunter.in websites. So very soon our app will be live in Play Store. Presently some work is going on. Okay. So click on registration option, enter your sponsor details, means whoever has shared you link or else sponsored ID, you need to enter those details. If you want my sponsor ID, you can take from the group description in or else video description, and you need to fill all your details: name, email ID, password, and all, mobile number. So give the genuine number, so that you will be get 100% earning. So this same code you need to enter here. So if this code is not taking, you click here for option, so that the open it will be open once it's gone back. Okay, so click on this click here option, so the captcha code will be changed, and you need to enter and click here option, I agree option, and sign up. You get ID password. So with that ID password you need to log in. Okay, for an example, I am logging my ID. I will show you lively. So you need to enter this captcha code after entering your ID password. Got it, friends? So likewise, you get a pop-up. You can try this app also, apart from what I have said. So here you getting 100% earning. So mostly from Telangana, Andhra persons, if you are trying these apps, so better you can trying game apps, and you can try another bank apps or entertainment apps, because Telangana, Andhra government has banned these gaming apps. So better you don't try those. Or else you can try, if your luck is there, you can make the money also, but don't waste your time. It's if you have time, you can do a trial also. So click on the spin option. Every 6 hours you can make the spin earning. So yeah, downline you can see your total team members who are doing task, who are not doing task. So here is your referral link. You can share your referral link, and you can get 5 rupees on every registration. So here whatever the task you are doing, self task income, total earnings, and from your downline level income details. So click here option. Once you click here option, you can find whoever doing task under you. You can check their income. So their ID, your ID, amount, and on the date which you credited the amount. Like on 7th November, 6th November, 5th November, you can check my payment amount credited also. 60 paisa, 61 paisa, 1.79 paisa, 80 paisa, 70 paisa, 2 rupees, 90 paisa, 3 rupees, 26 paisa, 30 paisa. So likewise on every person whoever doing task under with your link, you get 10% of their earnings. So this is a brilliant opportunity. Up to 5 levels you are getting this income. So to whomever you have referred, if they complete 20 rupees of self task income, means they need to complete 40 rupees of task. So that on them also you get the income. So here you can check the name and mobile number also. The person who has completed the task, their amount will be paid immediately, and those who have not done task of 20 rupees or 40 rupees, their amount will be pending. To ask every friends to do this. So whatever the apps I have shown, you can try all those apps. Apart from those apps, you can try bank apps so that you get more and more income. Here you can see, okay, lively also I will show you. ICICI account 32 rupees, so instantly you can make the income. An academy of 14 rupees. So by trying these two apps, the person who have invited, they complete their self task of 20 rupees, and 5 rupees will be withdrawn. And by watching these videos apps also, you can make the money. And by applying for home loans or else anything you can do by live score apps. So XYZ apps will be here, you can see. So try this app also and you can make more and more money. So whatever the apps you are seeing here, you can try all those apps also. But whatever the apps I have shown you, we got income on 100%. So whatever the apps I have said you can try those and you get 100% income. And if you have time, you can try all these app also. Okay, so on this Apna app also you can try anything, Vedantu apps, XYZ apps, you all apps you can try and you can make more and more money. So if you want to a paid member, if you want to go to dashboard, click on dashboard, and you can find your dashboard and this link share. If you want freedom 100 ppt, you can download from here. Okay, so here total earnings you can check. So in my 100 rupees plan, 41 rupees 41,000 change I have earned. Royalty income 731 rupees, working bonus income, today's income 60 paisa, and total earning 530 rupees. Once you complete 3 direct joinings on company turnover, 4% income you get here. But it's a paid member, so it's not task income. Task income will be the another page which I have shown. So here royalty income for 1430 rupees. So likewise you can make free and paid members, both can make income. Okay, so here you can make the withdrawals in menu options. You can you need to fill your profile and you can make the withdrawals. Okay, so this is how you can make the by watching videos and by making team or by doing self task income apps, downloading account openings, zero account openings, applying for home loans. So likewise you can make more and more income. So wish you good luck friends, keep watching and keep earning. So if you have any doubts, I have given in description, I have given you group links of Telugu, Hindi, English training group links. So join in those groups and you can take more information for upcoming all the details. So wish you good luck, all the best, have a great day. Thanks for watching the video and happy earning with Freedom 100 task earning. And keep watching for keep stay alert, stay updated for upcoming videos.